Well, let's show you this Coalport. Not particularly old, quite modern actually, 20th century. It's nice enough little, well, what do you call this? We call them dishes really, as opposed to bowls. It's not really a cake plate, it's not really a flat serving tureen or a platter. It is more of a sort of either decorative piece or used for anything with a sauce or custard that you may want to hold in, because it's quite high. It goes up to about 1 3/8, I think, on the outer sides, and it's about 9 3/8 inches between these pierced handles. There is a degree of wear on the gilt here. See, just on these handles, it's not as crisp as it should be or full. There's quite a bit of wear on here. The surface of the actual porcelain is in very good condition. The transfer printed is signed D. Cappy, D. Cappy. I mean, it's not a hand painted piece. This is just a transfer printed signature and block of transfer. They're all pretty similar in their designs. Let me show you the mark again. Late 20th century, Coalport, JuneTime, blue crown marks, which was used by Coalport up until the cessation of production. So a nice enough JuneTime serving dish, shall we call it, in very nice vintage used condition, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. And if you'd like to find out more details about this piece, then the link below should take you through to the website listing for it. Thanks for watching.